Hi YouTubers. I went to Costco and found this amazing Discover Robotics Educational Box Set. Let us unbox this Robotics Educational Box Set and see what we can expect in the box. Let us see what it has on the sides of the box. Firstly, I must say the packaging of this box is very well built. This box contains Robotic Reference Book, Sticker Book, Discover Robotics Wall Chart, and Robotic Spider Kit. So let us unbox this by slicing the plastic cover. Once I open the case, this is what we find. A small package of spider kit. A sticker. This is the sticker book and the literature of the first introduction of science, as we can see. The last item will be the guide to amazing machines. I am very excited to open the book right away. Wow! Human hand touching a robotic hand. The next, as we can see, are the topics covered. Let me quickly roll through all the pages as I am very much excited. Now let us unpack the spider kit. This is strongly glued. This is the guide to build the spider. These are the frames in which we have all the parts that need to be detached and assembled. This is the motor that makes the spider move. So let us open the guide and follow the steps to build the spider. The names of the frames are labeled as A, B and C, and they have numbers marked on the pieces so that it would be easy to assemble all these parts as per the guide. Let us see one by one. Firstly, let us take the motor. As you can see, it has a black and red wire and toggle switch and shaft running through it. A battery slot to place the battery. By looking at the guide, it is so well explained and guided us to build the spider. So let's start with the first step. Now let us take frame A and follow the guide. This is how you remove that piece from the frame by either twisting it or bending it at the joints. Now, as we took the first piece, this is the base or the belly portion of the spider, and we place the motor on top of it as shown in the guide and then arrange the cables accordingly. Please follow the instructions in the guide, and I am starting a time lapse of the video and showing everything that I build. You may slow down if you want to watch it slowly. While one portion of the legs are done, similarly we must assemble the other pieces to build the other part of the legs. Now let us mount these pieces together. There it is, our first spider robot build. Let us place the battery and see how it works. Amazing! It works, Yahoo! Unboxing some random items and reviewing it. Before leaving, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until then, be safe and warm. Take care.